Ready to level up your video editing game and make some seriously hilarious or mind-bending creations? First, open Adobe After Effects and import your video clip. Make sure you've got your footage ready to go. If you don't have a video, you can download one from the internet. Drag your video into the timeline to start your project. Next, head to the Effects and Presets panel that is likely located on the right side of your screen, and use the search bar to find Face Tracker. Drag and drop this effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Now, After Effects will analyze your video and, like magic, track the faces in your footage. You should see little tracking points appear on the faces. If you have multiple faces, it will track each one separately. In the Effect Controls panel, click on the little triangle next to Face Tracker to open its settings. Explore the options like Face Extraction, where you can isolate and use specific face features. The program will do its best to track the feature of your choice and extract it. You can adjust the tracking path, if needed, by manipulating the keyframes. Here comes the fun part. You can use the extracted face to swap faces, create crazy distortions, or add some other special effects. Experiment with different effects and settings to get the result you want. Use the face as a map to reveal another layer, creating a face swap. That's it. You've learned the basics of face manipulation in After Effects. Now go out there and create some awesome videos. Don't forget to play around and have fun with the tools. Like and subscribe for more video editing tips.